Hello everybody! You're on the RoboForex channel and this is another edition of Economic and Financial News Overview. Today we'll look at what will happen on the markets from July 20th to 26th, 2020. Quick brief on the episode. The Bank of Russia and the early cut of the key interest rate. We will examine the situation and try to answer the question, what can this lead to? Rise in oil prices. Despite the circumstances, we'll tell you what decisions OPEC Plus has made recently and how the Brent price has reacted. Macroeconomic statistics of the week. We're waiting for important data from the USA and Europe, while the rest are taking a break. To stay up to date with the financial markets news, subscribe to our channel. We release a new episode every week. Now, let's get started. On Friday, July 24th, the Bank of Russia is having a planned meeting. The key interest rate here is at 4.50%. It's important to mention that it fell steeply and massively after the last meeting and, logically, does not need revising. However, the Bank of Russia has recently mentioned low inflation as the main reason to decrease the key rate. It means the regulator is ready to drop it to 4% before September comes. Right now, the crediting parameters in Russia do not need to change. The main idea is not to harm. It is unclear why the CB is so eager to speed up and who inside the Russia economy can benefit from such a low rate. There are only a few of those who can afford to pay off loans even at the minimal price. The ruble price already includes the probability of a decrease in the interest rate, but the market expects a reduction in September, and if it happens earlier than planned, volatility may leap up. The ruble has been securing this month in reply to the decision to decrease the rate through typically. It should be the opposite. Such behavior may be explained by the investors happens about at least some actions of the CB, but this logic is very vague. Until the end of the year, the interest rate will most likely remain at 4% no matter if the CB will decrease it in July or September. What do you think? Will the Central Bank of Russia hurry up this time or will the decline be left until September? Leave us a comment while we're moving on. And this time, let's talk about oil. Regardless of mixed statistics from China and the USA, oil is still ready to grow. From August 1st, OPEC Plus should ease oil production restrictions, thus increasing it by 2 million barrels per day. Currently, oil production has been reduced by 9.7 million barrels per day, and from August 1st, this number was supposed to reach 7.7 million. But some cartel members failed to meet the plan to reduce production in May and June. These countries will have to provide schedules of the compensation for exceeding the quota. In other words, they will continue to keep production level at its low in the coming month. This measure will decrease the total black gold production by about 8.2 million barrels per day in August. Due to all of this, the Brent price remains quite high and may secure within 42-44 USD per barrel for some time. And now, we are ready to look at the macroeconomic statistics. The most vivid week from this point of view was the previous one. This time there will be less data, reactions must be calmer and the market more stable. From the Eurozone, there will be minimal important statistics. On Thursday, July 23rd, we should note the region's consumer confidence index. It might have improved significantly. All positive statistics should be interpreted as a local bounce. Stable and systematic recuperation needs much more time. On Friday, July 24th, the July data for the PMI in the service sector of the Eurozone will be published. The digits are preliminary. Here, improvement is also possible because the consumer has almost returned to normal life. Germany will issue the same report, and it is even more impressive. If the Eurozone's locomotive is returning to an average speed of life smoothly, the other countries will follow. However, we should wait and see. Europe is a particular organism, and we all know very well that one Europe country's prosperity does not mean the welfare of another. Leave a thumbs up if you agree. Another country with some important statistics this week is the United States. Here we will concentrate on the housing market and the PMI of the non-production sector of the economy. Also, the season of corporate reports in the country is still going on. The first week was even better than expected, but anything may happen. And we will complete the episode with an overview of the cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin is stuck in a flat. The Ethereum is falling in price because the market is tired of waiting for the launch of Ethereum 2.0, and the major part of altcoins lacks any driver at all. The news about the hacking of famous politicians' Twitter accounts to steal Bitcoins does not look very believable. It pays more attention to Twitter itself than influences the prices of digital assets. Just hype for the sake of hype. The week turns out to be calm. However, do not lower your protection and always stay alert. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. This helps and motivates us to continue to get useful market information for you. Be careful, wear a mask, and we will see you soon.